She's actually very, very sturdy. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know we about to do another unboxing. I was gonna do a fall haul, but I feel like this just deserves its own video. I don't want to include nothing else in this video but the bag. So if you didn't know, we got a Brandon Blackwood bag. I caught the restock. I set my alarm, all that type of stuff. And so yeah, we finna unbox it, y'all. Okay, so love the packaging already. I love the clean black and white line, so I'm feeling it already. Up 360. We're branding all the way around. I love it. Oh, branding. Did y'all catch that? I don't know. Kind of lame, whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Ooh. Okay, let's finish. I love her already. Very well packaged. This is what the bag looks like. The dust bag. Smells new. Smells fresh. We've got a card. Okay. Oh, nice handwritten card. That's cute. I guess I just gotta rip her open. Okay, y'all, so I'll talk about the specs and the details of what I ordered. What I ordered was the Kendrick Trunk Premium Genuine Ponyhair in cow print. And here she is. I love her. It's got the Brandon Blackwood embellishment right there. It has a really nice weight to it, y'all. I love the structure of it because I like a structured bag. I don't like something that bends and folds, so I love the structure of it. It's nice and sturdy. It's a trunk, so yeah. It has the feet on the bottom, which is nice, so that it's not actually just sitting. It's actually sitting. Okay. The handle, I have to unwrap it. But yeah, it's got the silver hardware. I like it, and as y'all can see, I kind of really been into cow print. So yes, I love it. This is what she looks like. Let me open the inside. I only got one hand. But yeah. I think she comes with a strap too, if I'm not mistaken. So let's open her up. Trunk style. Okay, it's not a just dump when you open. It has like structure to it. So it's not just gonna fall open. But yeah, so it's a tighter open. It's not just gonna fall. And I think this is the strap. Okay, yeah. So the opening of the bag is not very wide. So what I mean is, like, this is my hand pushing the bag open. It really doesn't go any further than that without you probably popping or breaking something. So yeah, you can stick a hand in there easily, but that's pretty much how it is. That's how wide it is. And here is the strap for it. Let me try to open that. Yeah, the strap does come with adjustable holes like a belt. So you can make it a little tighter, well, a little shorter or longer. But yeah, just silver hardware. And then you just clip it to each side. I'll probably not be wearing it with a strap, but I'll put the strap on there. But I'm probably gonna be wearing it like, you know, carrying a trunk. But yes, y'all, love it. Make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting a fall haul coming up. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.